So originally I was gonna do 2 songs, but there's a new rule. And I can't do 2 songs anymore. So I guess I'll do the second one, which is called Bird's Wing.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
And a lot of you are my friends, so a lot of you probably know that I got very close to losing probably the most important person in my life, my grandma, this past year, so I wrote this song for her. And I just, because this isn't for me, it's for you, could you just close your eyes and think of your grandma, or your grandpa, or your mom, or your dad, or someone that would make this song resonate with you. This is Bird's Wing. The only woman to me. And where will you be when I get married? And where will you be when I'm your age? And where will you be when I find out that I can't breathe? Because you're not here with me. Grandmother, you're a bird's wing.